How to keep screen on in Mac. If you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac, the steps are going to be same. Now many people are irritated with the problem of screen turning off automatically after a certain period of inactivity. Now to avoid this, you can follow these simple steps. Now the very first step you have to do is you have to go in Apple logo on the left hand side top corner and select system settings. Once you select system settings, a pop-up window will appear on screen. Scroll down till you get screensaver option. Select that, and on the right hand side again there are multiple options, but you have to select lock screen settings option. Select lock screen setting and then we are on lock screen page. Now there are multiple options present below it, so let's look at it. The very first option is start screensaver when inactive. So this particular option is for screensaver. If you want, you can make changes as per your requirement. So this is not very important for today's topic. Now the second one is very important. This is where the whole changes are going to be made. Now it says turn display off on battery when inactive. So if I do nothing for 2 minutes, as it is already set for 2 minutes, if there is inactivity for 2 minutes, then the screen will automatically turn off. To avoid that, you can simply set a timer of 30 minutes, 20 minutes, or else you can simply select never. So even if there is inactivity for whole day, the screen will not turn off until and unless the battery dies. So yes, this is the option which you have to keep in mind. Also make sure you select the third option as well, which says turn display off on power adapter. So if you have connected your charger or your power adapter to your Mac, then you have to make the changes in this one as well. So you can just go here, you can select more time, or else you can simply select never option. Then even if there is inactivity, the screen will not turn off. So these are the simple steps which you have to follow in order to keep your Mac screen on all the time. If you like this video, if you think it was informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.